Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. Guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the expert advisor review. So before going to the review, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it. And also guys, press the notification button so that you can get the forex trading updates from my side. Okay guys, now let's talk about first of all Euro Canadian dollar and the move that we have seen on Euro USD. Okay, so first of all I have received some of the emails, and quite unfortunately I have seen that most of the subscribers are doing wrong trading with this expert advisor. So basically what I have, when I have provided you with the expert advisor, I have provided you with the two directions, that if you are using the standard cent account, then you should use the lot size 0.30. I am again repeating, if you're using the cent account, then you will use the lot size 0.30. If you have ECN account or a mini account or whatever the normal account is, then you will use 0.01. Okay guys, previously look, I have switched this thing to the look, I was working on the on a higher time frame before, on a higher lot size before, but I have reduced the lot size today just for your guidance, so that you people can understand that how to use this EA effectively. Okay, now first of all the question arises that Euro USD has made the bullish trend on Friday, and Friday it has straight went up. Okay guys, so going to take you towards the report that where you can see it has went up, and maximum what happened is this, the sell positions were taken by the expert advisor most of the time, but the market was kept on going up. Okay guys, that's why I have told you that you should use this indicator that I am using it with the current chart. You can see. Now let me explain. So where the market was on Friday, the market was about here. You can see it was about here. The market started to make the upward momentum. Now guys, first of all, things were clear that the market was reached to the oversold levels. Okay, now let's say if the expert advisor has taken a sell position and you are using the lot size 0.01, it means that your trade must be in a very small loss, then you can close that one. Because if you are consulting the expert advisor, then you can also stop the auto trading on that time by clicking the auto trading button, because the market has reached to the oversold levels. So you know that this is the expert advisor, it works really well, but you need to use it with the trading system also. Now look, what I do is here is this. Now it happened on Friday that the market was moving continuously up and expert advisor was opening the sell positions. Okay, first of all, why the market has moved up, let's talk about this. Because it was the close of the previous month, and you know very well that when the market movers come into action, they normally come into action at the start or at the end of each month. So using the expert advisors during the first 4 days and the last 2 to 3 days is not wise. You have to take your manual decisions to stay safe. Okay, let me take an example. So what to do here? So let's say if you have sell positions from here from the expert advisor, but the market was going up, so on that case you should close auto trading off. Now let's say for example you have 3 sell positions open in a 0.01 lot size. So what you can do, you can hedge those trades. Right from here you can open a lot size with 0.03 to hedge those trades. Or if you're looking that the direction is going very much fine, like it, you can see it has made a very good upward momentum, then you can adjust the lot size to 0.05. Or if you have a good trading account size, then you can go with 0.10. Now what happens, let's say if the market goes up to here like it did on Friday and up to here, and you have 3 sell positions on Euro Canadian dollar from here to here. Let's say this is the gap, but the market has extremely went up. So if you have taken the one trade with 0.10 and the market has reached to the overbought levels, now it was the time to close that trade. Now what you can do, you can close the bunch of all trades. You will not let the losing trades to open. This is not wise, that if you believe that again it will come to here, then I will close the trade. This is not the wise approach. So this is the best thing that I am telling you, that when the market reach to the overbought levels, from because the top red boundary is the overbought levels, then you should close your buy trades. Now it depends on you. Even if you have exit from somewhere here, then it was still fine, because with 0.01 lot size, your previous lot sizes were 0.01, and with 0.10 lot size can give you profits, and you can close when you close the bunch of trades. Let's say, for example, if your $3 was in losing and you have made $10 on 0.10 lot size, it means that if you close the bunch of trades, then $7 will be credited in the form of profit to your account. If you just use your common sense, it's more about a common sense, because when the market is going up, then it means that you should not let the robot open the sell positions. Just wait for the move that it should not open the sell positions. Now today what happened? Now look at here. Okay, I'm going to take you towards here. Okay, now looking, okay, now look at Euro USD. Look, sell, sell, sell. Now look at the chart here on Euro USD. You can clearly see from the overbought levels, the market started to go down, and we have also received a sell signal from the scalper, and look, the market has gone down today. So it was a good time to enter into the sell position. So here the robot was working very fine. Now look at here. Now I have one sell position opened here, and now the market has reached to the oversold levels. So that's very important. Now here you need to take your decision. So if you ask me, I'm most probably going to close my trade after some time, because I'm just taking a bit not worried about it, because it's a 0.01 trade. But overall, if you look at here, the daily chart was pumped from the oversold levels to below. And now if you look at the 1 hour chart, then the 1 hour chart can make a recovery. So now here you can take buying chances on Euro USD. And if you look at my recent trades that are taken by Euro USD, then you can see it has taken the buy positions. So the robot is working fine. But when you can see that the market has attained only one direction, then only it can collapse. So here you should add your own manual judgment. Moreover, guys, let me tell you more about this trading indicators that now I'm providing with the report. For those subscribers who do not have this indicator, just email me. I will send the indicators to them. So you can see there is a dotted middle line in the middle. So when the hourly candle closes above the middle dotted line, it means that still there is a chance that the market can go further up. And look at the next candle, it has went up. And what happened today? The hourly candle was closed below the middle dotted line, and then we have received the downward trend. So guys, current trade that is only open on Euro USD is the sell position with 0.01. Now if you ask me, I prefer to close that one, because the market has reached to the oversold levels, and we have one strong bullish candle also appeared in the lower red boundary. So guys, that is the explanation that I am giving to you, because you are only trading this chart. You do not have any idea what's going on behind the scene, because when you come back to this indicator, then you can see that the market has very good potential. Now you can see if you have taken the selling chances today, and you can add some manual judgment also. Let's say if you have placed it was taking sell positions, and you can scalp the market during that time. 0.10 lot size is recommended if you have a good account size, but 0.10 is not recommended for the account size that is of $1,000 only. So now you see on Euro Canadian dollar, throughout the day Euro Canadian dollar has fell down. Now what's happened? A long bullish candle appeared, and look at the next candle. The next candle is also pumping up. It's going up. So let's say if I add any sell positions here, then I must cut off my sell position, and I switch the auto trading off, and then I will take the chance into the buy direction. Okay, when it closes, let's say if this candle closes above the middle dotted line, then I will take another chance into the buy direction, because still the market has chances to go further up. So guys, use this, at least consult the 1 hour and daily chart, and then you will know that how the market is behaving like this, because maybe it's possible that the market goes back up again. Maybe it can go up here, or maybe if after some time look, we have still two bullish candles, maybe the market goes up to here again. Let's take an example here again, and after that it can come back. And if it will come back, it means that the daily candle will also come back. So at least you should bother to have a look on the hourly chart. It will help you to reduce your losses, and then you will be able to effectively use this report and the manual trading indicators with it. It's very simple. Like I have explained, euro Canadian dollar is going up from the oversold level, so buy chance is open. If no sell chances are open, so if you have any sell trade, you can cut off that trade. You can cut off simply. And now look what's going on euro USD. As I have mentioned that I have only one position opened with 0.01, but it's pumping up. Look at the next candle, it's still making a bullish pattern, and still we have like 42 minutes to go with the close of this candle. It means that it has many chances that this candle can close bullish. Now it can close up to here, it can close up to here. It depends on the momentum. So right now the momentum will be slow because this is the not a very good time for trading. But overall, I have just made this special video for you so that you can understand that why this video is very important, to let you understand that you can minimize your drawdown, and you can also add your human judgment. If you will only rely on expert advisor, then unfortunately it can give you losses and it can give you drawdowns. At least you should use a common sense indicator, and that's very simple indicator to use, that is telling you, and I have deeply explained you that how to use this one. So at my end, now you can see euro USD has taken buy positions and it has given me a very good profit. But overall guys, I was previously doing a trading with 0.30 lot size because this account size is bigger. But when I have seen that my traders are going to use the higher lot size on only $1,000 account, some of them are using the 0.05 lot size on a $200 account, that does not make any sense to me. That's why it has appealed me to make a video so that I can guide you in a proper way that why you are in loss, because there was a reason behind it. There is no 100% strategy in Forex, but you can minimize the risk of losses. So guys, hopefully this video has given you the much understanding. And guys, if you want this complete trading setup, it is basically the trading setup of 3 indicators. For the previous video that I have posted, you can watch about the how to make 200 Forex pips in a day. So watch that video, you will find that the 3 indicators are attached, but with the expert advisor I am providing this only indicator with no arrows. So guys, it will help you to achieve success in the Forex market. So I hope that now you will not make any kind of losses, and now it will help you to understand that how to do manual trading when you are using this expert advisor. Where the expert advisor goes wrong, then you will do your manual trading. So what I have done, look, I have opened the both charts where that expert advisor is attached, and also I have opened the charts with the pips hunter, that's indicator. And you can see why, because I am looking what the market is behaving. So most of the people, maybe if anyone has a sell position here, then it must be exited before that move, because when this candle was pumping up, so you should have cut down, you should have stopped auto trading, and you should have cut down that trade. Hopefully guys, now you should not make any kind of losses, and this video will make, I have made everything clear to you. So moreover, there are no guarantees in the Forex market, and try to be a good person and try to make good money from this Forex market by achieving your own judgment. You should add your human judgment too. Look how swiftly it's going up. This trading system is very powerful. It's not a bad indicator, it's a very good indicator. And also the expert advisor is very good, but if you just add up a little common sense, that it can give you very good profits on a daily basis. So guys, what I recommend 0.01 lot size for the $1,000 account, and for the above accounts then 0.02, and let the robot work. And then where you see that it has reached the oversold levels or overbought levels, at the overbought levels, cut up your buy trades, and when the market reaches to the oversold levels, then cut up the losing trades and do some scalping with a higher lot size. Like for example, if you have the 0.02 lot size in the sell, then you can, if the market is going up, then you can take a chance with the 0.05 lot size into the buy direction, so that your profit ratio should be higher than the losing ratio, and then you can close the bunch of trades and then restart your MT4 terminal and let the robot work again. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis for the expert advisor, and hopefully if you have liked this video, then please do press the like button. And if you are willing to get this expert advisor, then please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Thank you for watching the video.